Good morning, everyone. I'm an extension agent from the University of Ghana, Family and Consumer Science Department, and I'm here to educate you all on perfumery. So, one may ask, what is perfume? So, perfume is it's an ingredient mixed together to give your body or your environment a nice smell. So, with the perfumes, the importance of why we are supposed to use perfume. So one, perfume, it helps to boost your confidence and it helps to improve personal hygiene. So with the perfumes, we have different types of perfume. We have the perfume oils. That is, under the perfume oils, we have both diluted and the undiluted perfume oils. And with the perfumes, we have the designer perfumes as well. So I'm here to talk about the samples here. So the ones I'm holding are the perfume oils. These are the perfumes. And these are called body mists. We mostly call it body splash. So they are called body mist. So I'm here to educate you on how to differentiate between a genuine perfume and a fake perfume. So I have two different perfumes here. They are all produced by the same company. Just that we have the genuine one and we have the fake one. So the fake one, it's mostly produced by other companies, but it has the same packaging as the original one. So the one on my right is the genuine perfume and the one on my left is the fake one. So with the fake and the genuine, you can spot the difference. The genuine one, the packaging, the color of the box is different as comparing it to the fake one. So if you want to know if a perfume is an original, firstly you will check the back of it. You see, with every perfume, it has a QR code at the back. So with the QR code, you have to scan. And when you scan, it sends it directly to the company's website. It means the perfume is a genuine perfume. So with the bottles, so I want to emphasize on the QR code. You see, whenever you buy a perfume, there is always a QR code at the back of it. So if you want to check if a perfume is an original, you firstly have to take your phone and just scan it. Please come around and see. When you scan, to send you directly to the company's website. The QR code, you just have to scan it and it sends you directly to the company's website. This shows the perfume is a genuine perfume. Please, with the bottles, you see it has the same design, but you just have to note some differences with it. This is the original one. With the original one, the name of the company is boldly written on it, which you can even feel it. And the fake one, there's nothing at the back. So I want you to have a feel of it. So this is the original one, and this is the. So I'm here to talk about the perfume oils. We have two types. That is the diluted ones and the undiluted perfume oils. So with the diluted perfume oil, it has been mixed with perfume alcohol, not just the normal alcohol we know. In perfumes, you have a term given to it, a perfume alcohol. And this one has not been mixed with anything. It has not been mixed with anything. And with this, it lasts longer on yourself as comparing it to this. Let's say if this one takes like 24 hours, so can even take like 2 or 3 hours. So I want you to have a feel of it. So this is the undiluted. Okay. And this one is the, you can spot the difference. And the thickness also, you see with the undiluted, it is thicker than the one that has already been diluted. Okay, so since we don't have the ingredients in making the undiluted perfume oils, there is a video that will be played for you to know how the perfume oil is being diluted. So please, I will just do that for you too. Please, can you all see from us?
Yes, we can.
So with that, this is the alcohol, the perfume alcohol. It is being added to the perfume oil, and other ingredients are also added to it. So these are the machines that we use in mixing the diluted perfume oils. When that is being done, it's being placed on the machine for the machine to help stir the ingredients. The main reason why it is being covered because of the alcohol in it, because the alcohol has a strong smell, so that's why the measuring cup is being covered with it. Okay, so
Please, you see, with the video you showed mixing the perfume, you said the alcohol is strong. That's why they covered the mixing cup. So I want to know if the alcohol is strong and they've covered the mixing cup. Meaning you, the human being, also doing the mixing, like you will be affected, or so is there a need to wear nose masks or something?
okay, so when mixing the perfume oils, the diluted, you have to wear a nose mask because the perfume is very strong. You see, the person doing it can easily react to the alcohol because it is very, very strong. So that is why in the video, the measuring cup is what was being covered to prevent the alcohol or the scent entering the person's nose. Please, you understand. We're educating you on how to use perfume to last longer on yourself. Mostly we buy perfumes and end up complaining that the perfume that I've bought, it didn't last longer on you. It's based on how you, the individual, you used the perfume. So firstly, after taking your bath, you have to clean yourself for your skin to get dry. Then the second step, you just have to apply your perfume, your pomade to moisturize your skin. So let me just come here for
Can you use one?
Baba, please come. Please come around. So with how to apply the perfume on yourself to last longer on you. So after taking your bath, you just have to clean yourself with your towel, with a clean towel, for your skin to get dry. Then after that, you firstly apply your pomade. Make sure your skin is well moisturized. Then you secondly go with the body mist. Please do not be stingy with your perfumes, like anything. You shouldn't be stingy with it. You just have to use it on your hands. So you let it dry for a while. Then you use your perfume oil on it. please, whenever I use a perfume, or perfume oil, do not rub your hands together, because end up spoiling the notes that helps the perfume to last longer. The ingredients in making the perfume oil. So mostly, whenever somebody buys a perfume, the person end up mixing everything, like rubbing their hands together, which is a bad way of using a perfume. And you thirdly go with your perfume. Please do not be stingy with your perfume. Use it. You bought it to your own money, so please use it very well. So that's just wait for a while.
Please, I want to ask, when you are putting on the perfume, should it be directly on your skin? Because I know that when you are putting on perfumes, it shouldn't be on your skin, but then it should be on your dress.
On your dress, it's not advisable. You see, on your dress, mostly when you use perfume, it ends up staining on your dress. So you're supposed to use perfume is meant for your body, not your shirt, not whatever thing that you wear.
I also learned that using perfume on your skin gives cancer. That's what I also know. No, that's what I also learned or I heard.
Okay, so before you use a perfume, make sure you know the type of perfume you are going in for. You see, most people, they easily react to perfumes. So just know the type of perfume you are going for. And even before that, if you want a perfume to last longer on you, know your signature smell. You shouldn't just be influenced by anybody because this perfume smells very nice. Know your signature smell. Let's see, if your signature smell is vanilla, everything that you use should be vanilla. If your signature smell is fruity, everything you use on yourself should be fruity. If your signature smell is wood, everything you use should be wood. Please, do you get it? Please, is there any question?
Okay, hello.
The perfume.
So please, are you trying to say right from the soap we use to bath, our cream, our oils, everything should be just 1 cent to make it last longer? Yes,
I have a contribution. I think yesterday or 2 days ago, I saw a video on TikTok that a lady was saying, when you are using a perfume, we complain that the perfume don't last on our body. And she was like, when you are using coconut, from your bathing soap to your perfume should be coconut. How about that?
Yeah, so as I said, you need to know your signature smell. So let's say yours is vanilla. Everything that you use should be vanilla. Do you get it? So I'll be educating you on how perfume oil is being mixed together to get a unique smell. So when mixing the perfume oils together, that is mixing 2 or 3 fragrances. So let's say if you are mixing it for ladies, you need to use a mild smell. And also if you are mixing it for men, you need to use like 2 strong perfumes, 1 mild smell to help calm the smell down. So I'll be teaching you on how perfume oil is being mixed. So
I want to ask, why do we use the mild ones for the women and then the 2 strong ones and 1 mild for the men?
Okay, so with your question, you see, most ladies, like ladies in general, we like to use perfume that has this mild and sweet smell. But with guys, they use strong perfumes. So when mixing it, it shouldn't be that strong. At least you need to use 2 strong perfumes with a mild one to help calm the scent of the perfume oil. Please, do you understand?
Yeah. So can you say that men sweat a lot, and then people assume men do more hard work than women do? That's why they normally like the strong perfumes. Yes. Can you say that too? Okay.
So what I have here is the beaker or the measuring cup, because it has the measurements written on it. So I'll be mixing 2 fragrances together. That is the Sobeto, which has the fruit smell. Whenever you mix perfume oils for ladies, the coconut passion should be a constant fragrance you should use, because it's for both gents, both ladies and also the gents. So when you mix them together, it helps you to get a unique smell. So the bottle I have here with me is a 20 ml. So when mixing it, one has to be that one has to be 50-50 or 80-20, or maybe like when mixing like 3 fragrances, it should be 80-10-10, or maybe 60-20-20. So in all, it to be 100, because you just have to do it in a ratio proportion. So I think I need somebody's help to help me with. So firstly, you have to go with the Sobeto. This is a 20 ml, so I'll be pouring half of it, making 10 ml. It's half of it. Yes, you have to start with this. That is the Sobeto when mixing for a lady. So you firstly it has to be 50-50, 60-40, or maybe it's like 3 fragrances. One has to be 80-10-10 or 60-20-20. So you know it to be 100. So with this, I'm actually doing it 50% of this, and also take this from this as well. So be 50-50. So please cover it. So the next fragrance is the Coconut Passion. With this, I'm also pouring half of it, so making the 10 ml. Because this is the 20 ml bottle. So after pouring, there's no exit. Okay. After you've poured 2 fragrances in the container, you have to, you see, mostly when you use the machine, you just put it on the machine, then it stays by itself. But since you don't have the machine here, you just have to shake it for it to mix properly with it. So after a while, you have to let it sit down for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Like for some short period of time. You have to remove it. Please come and do it.
So do you smell it to see, say, maybe?
Yeah, it has to wait for a while. See, after it settles, then I'll just...
Please, will you add the perfume alcohol to this?
No,
So is it still undiluted or is
undiluted.
it's still undiluted?
Okay, so we don't add alcohol to this because this one is undiluted perfume oils.
So if you want to make it diluted,
That is when you can add the perfume alcohol to it. So in this raw state, it is the undiluted perfume oil. When you add the perfume alcohol to it, that is when it becomes diluted perfume oil. Please, do you get it? So the main reason why you have to let it, you have to put it down for 5 minutes because the ingredients in it has to sit. Yes, that's to sit together. So after some time, you just have to use your hand to just pull. This one is the 4. No. Now we've mixed the two fragrances together, and after mixing everything together, we poured it back into the this one is a 6 ml bottle. So after mixing it, you just have to pour it into this. Please, do you get it? Yes. So this brings us to the end of this section. Thank you for coming.